All right, welcome back. Happy holidays. It's getting close to that time. Christmas is right around the corner. I have my Grinchmas sweater on. We're definitely ready for Christmas. Thank you for coming back and tuning in for this last one for this specific box. We are opening up our last number 6 booster box from Surging Sparks in search of that golden Pikachu. And it would be awesome if today would be the day on this last booster box if we could pull it. Because it's your birthday.
Yeah.
It is your birthday today. So it's awesome if we could do something and get that golden Pikachu. But yeah, so we're just going to jump right into it. All right. Zylan has his first 3 packs. I have my first 4. I don't know why I always do that. But Zylan will go first in his tradition.
Here's that code card. We got Crocolore, Tandemaus, Spupa, Donphin, Miraidon, Cyrano, Meowstic, Paldean Tauros, Dino, Terrapagos, Psychic Energy. Next pack. We got that code card. We got Fuecoco, Mantine, Bronzong, Sandygas, Pashoberry, Vivillon, Indeedee, Smoochum. We got something. Alejandro Trio, Ceruledge EX.
Ceruledge EX.
And Water Energy.
You want to put that in a sleeve? We don't have a whole lot of soft sleeves today, but we do have. We got a lot of hard sleeves. So we will use soft sleeves until we run out. We only got a couple. Little Ceruledge EX action.
Got that code card. Got Gimmighoul, Glimmet, Togetic, Sizzlypede, Jasmine's Gaze, Xerneas, Terra Orb, Spupa, Graplocked, Rebska, and Energy.
Alright, so that's the first 3 packs down. That's the ones I'm going to be ripping into now. Alright, we've got Trapinch, Craiganmole, Uxie, Charcadet, Quackable, Deduction Kit, Ceruledge, Executor, and a Corridon, followed by Eternatus and Basic Energy code card. Alright. And the Pikachu pack art next. Execute, Swablu, Rotom, Vibrava, Walrein, Armorage, Pashoberry, Oracorio, Trapinch, Togekiss, code card. Alright, so last pack for me this round. Latias. I feel something special in this bag, right? Something special is in this bag. Feel it. Special. Smoochum, that's what it was. It was Smoochum. Smooching away. Skarmory, Tandemaus, Fanapy, Indeedee, Duskball, Armorage, Duskball Reverse. Nice. Ooh. Ooh. Spiel.
Second one.
Yeah, we got one of those last time. Followed by Zarude. And your code card. Put this down here. I will put that in the sleeve here.
We got that code card. We got Bronzor.
Go.
Maybe so you can edit it out. We got Bronzor, Applin, Duraludon, Morel, Flapple, Alohundig Trio, Lucian, Rellor, Oricorio, Landorus, Fire Energy. We got a card. I saw something. We got Drillbur, Magnemite, Slackoth, Oricorio, Terra Orb,
Here, Pika Pika.
Fluttermane, Drayton. We got a Megaton Blower.
Like that?
Yeah. And we got Landorus, Chinpayo, and Weaver Energy. And wow. We got that code card. We got your mask. Quaxley, Levesta, Mankey, Graffaye, Pasminian, Cobraberry, Morel, Appleton, Tapu Lele, Energy.
So Tapalele, huh? Oh, Tapalele. 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 All right, there's my 3. Let's get started. Still a couple that we don't have that we're looking for, as well as the Golden Pikachu, Drillbur, Quaxley, Zangoose, Oricorio, Ceruledge, Chill Teaser Toy, Fluttermane, Quaxley Reverse, Surfer Reverse, Palkia. Yeah, nothing yet. That means the good stuff is on the way. I think last time, I opened most of the good stuff. So far, neither one of us is having great luck. Morlul, Diglett, Volcarona, Kilowattrell, Ho-Oh, Lively Stadium, Indeedee Reverse, Clobicus, Full Art.
Oh.
That's cool. I like that one. Engouging Fire. Do we have that one?
No.
I didn't know if we had that one or not. That's some cool art. I really like that one. Kind of old school, but not. Scatterbug, Wattrell, Simisear, Esper, Bruxish, Meddling Memo, Appleton, Magnemite, Skarmory, Gastrodon. That's it for my 3. Alright, go ahead, bud.
We got Go Card. We got Togepi, Blitzel, Yamask, Quaxley, Shiinotic, Berry, Magneton, Morel, Vibrava, Terrapagos, and Luigi. We got Solo, Slackoth, Azel, Vigoroth, Koraidon, Dragon Elixir, Goldingo, Quaxley, Charcadeck,
Ooh.
Nice little Flamingo EX.
Got a couple of those.
Yeah. Got that energy, and then there's that code card.
All right, looking good. Starting to fill up.
Got that code card.
I like that.
Got Revesta, Mankey, Execute, Swablu, Latios, Koradon, Ninetales, Meowstic, Pazminian, Iron Crown, Energy.
Alright, still haven't seen an SAR yet. Alright, that's my 3. I think it's the same pack art as 3 I had last time. I've only had Latias once. Alright, Klefki, Glimora, Fukoko, Snorlax, Azumarill, and Gravity Mountain, Wochian Reverse, Registeel Reverse, Kilowatt Trail EX.
That's like our second.
Yeah, second or third one. Yeah, it's still a nice one though. Gold card. Alright, there's that next one. Alright. Stinky Fish, Stunfisk, Shellos, Dedenne, Mankey, Jasmine's Gaze, Registeel, Espathra, Sandygas Reverse, Sizzlepede Reverse, and Dialga. Code card. Dialga. Got this Pikachu pack art left for this round. Getting it in. Gonna rip it. These are looking pretty crisp. Primeape, Rufflet, Trapinch, Rellor, Dugtrio, Clements Quickwit, Tauros. There you go. A little precious trolley. I think we got a few of those. Those are my favorite. Gastrodon on top of that golden Pikachu, which we haven't found yet. And basic energy.
Air Darko card. We got Centiscorch, Spheal, Dino, Flittle, Magnezone, Technical Machine Floyd, Quackquavel, Zangoose, Lively Fuadium, Skeldurge, and Energy.
La 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 la. Kilowatt Trail. Sorry, guys. Sometimes I have to sing. It won't stay in.
We got a Shroosh card.
Cody Code.
Rotom, Vibrava, Klefki, Fucoco, Callbell, Quackle, Greyfaye, Capsakid, Bronzong, Wamvarus, and for energy.
You know what? As you're saying these names, I'm thinking of medication. I'm not really sure. I don't know if it's because I'm old or because Capsakid sounds like a commercial for some sort of dry skin cream that you can put on. Try Capsakid for your dry skin and itchy.
Here's a code card.
You don't have to throw your cards at me.
Blitzel, Shroodle, Cecilion, Trapinch, Deduction Kit, Surledge, NDD, Togepi, Shroodles, or Rebuild, and Frenergy.
Frenergy! I'm telling you, some of these, it's like you're going to get ripped off by, Kilowatt Trail. Really? That definitely sounds like a medicine. I'm doing this one first since this is the first one I've had in a couple of rounds. I had one earlier, so I'm trying this. That means this one is special because it has Trapinch as the first one. Rellor, Celio, Colobopus, Turtonator, Countergain, Altaria, Blitzel Reverse, Crocalor Reverse, and Gouging Fire. Code card. Man, that Gouging Fire was amazing. That was my special card. And it's also what happens when I eat hot food. Glimora, Snorlax, Primeape, Rufflet, Sereno, Taurus, Bruxish, a reverse Cetian, Fanpy reverse, and Tatsuguri EX. It's a nice one. Code card. One more. Got this Pikachu pack art. All right. Cryogonal, Uxie, Charcadet, Schmoochum, Duskball, Armorogue, Jasmine's Gaze, Tandemouse Reverse, Colberberry Reverse, Dialga. I'm hopeful. We're running out of packs. We need to go to Pikachu. We need to go to Pikachu.
Okay. Skarmory, Tandemouse, Fanpy, Stunfish, Registeel, Spathra, Victini, Mousehole, Zoolius, Terrapagos, Higher Energy.
Terrapagos. We need to get that Terrapagos kit with that new box that came out. I got a new box.
You got that code card.
Stop throwing things. You can put your eye out on one of those cards.
Celio, Quabopus, Helios, Skidadol, Deduction Kit, Ataria, Baraviary, Cofrigrigus, Annihilate, the Palkia, Energy.
Slow down, you're going to pass the Golden Pikachu. We're not even going to know it. You could have been in that stack right there. I have to re-look through that.
Alright, your code card.
Code card.
Zeb Striker, Morel, Reller, Grapplok, Victini, Trinana Tortower, Paldean Tauros, Slack Off, Vulpix, Rapscale, Energy.
What are you going to do if you open a good one? Like, you're going to be going too fast. You're just going to jump right past it. Oh, I got it again. Ledius. Which we have 3 of. We still don't have the Golden Pikachu. Excadrill, Quaxwell, Morlul, Helioptile, Quickwit, Kilowattrel, Teaser Toy, Capsicum Reverse, Pansear Reverse. There it is, Terrapagos. Did I tell you that we needed to get that box? No. I think I did. You just got an elite box that came out for that one. I want to try to get, and we can rip it. I do have some mystery boxes. Was able to. They are getting harder and harder to find. I did find a couple of mystery boxes that we will be ripping. And again, Zion's birthday, if he gets anything for his birthday, we will probably do a special one tomorrow. Unless he wants to open it before we can get it on camera, which is fine. We can do that. Because if not, we can probably bring in those Sylveon EX. We can probably bring in the other ones and open those instead. It's all according. We're going to let him do what he wants to on his birthday. So, not saying you're getting Pokemon cards or anything. Glimmet, Magnemite, Pansear, Rangaroo, Burberry, Executor, Iron Bundle, Togetic, Terra Orb, Skeldurge.
Go guard. We got Capsicum,
freeze frame that one.
Zeroludon, Sizzlypede, Pearlidian Tauros, Latios, Surfer, Iron Bundle, Counter Gain, Landorus, Energy.
Hold up, man.
We got Vulpix, Swablu, Sandygast, Wellius, Mousehole, Surfer, Registeel, Eevee, Donphin, Tatsuguri EX.
Yeah, a different one.
Energy with Coco.
That's a different one. I like this one. This one's nice.
We have one.
I know we've got one. I still like it.
My last pack.
Agreed. And like I said, we're going to be sending a lot of these off here shortly after Christmas, maybe first of the year to PSA. We will be showing those to you all before they go out that way, and then we'll reveal their grading when they come back.
We got Rotom, Togepi,
This is your last pack magic.
Helioptile, Walrein, Magnezone, Goldango, Helioptile, Goldango, Realgic Gyarados.
That was Zylan's last pack out of our last booster box. That means that's a lot of weight. That means the weight's on my shoulder for these last 3 packs. Sorry, this one's and this one. That's a lot of weight, bud. It's okay. I'm gonna try to carry us in. Let's go. Let's go. Your mask. Eevee. Execute. Cast form. Appleton. Those of you who can't see, Zylan's like 3 inches from the cards. And his nose may actually be in the shot. Iron Bundle. Let's see his bill. Scatterbug. Dome Trio. Full art. Do we have one of these? I don't know if we do or not. That's nice. I like it. And energy. All right. Here. Diglett, Spiel, Capsicid, Larvesta, Duskball, Ho, Coleberry, Dadine, Drillbur, Latias EX. I like that one. That one is nice. That one is really nice. You want to put those in some sleeves, bud? Thank you. I don't know if I showed you that code card, but there it is. We do not use them here, so that way if someone out there can use them. Mesprit, Scatterbug, Beauflant, Feebas, last pack. We will be getting ETB of these just so we can get the book and stuff for when we start making our binder. Executor, Chinpiao, Centiscorch. Nope. Nope. Didn't get it. That's all right. Let's see what we did get today. It's probably one of the worst boxes that we've had. Good thing we saved it to last. So we got that Surledge EX, Spiel, Texaguri EX, Latias EX, the best card of the bunch by far.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it is. I'm talking about this box. This is the best card.
How?
We got the Doug Trio, great card as well. Awesome card. Maybe sending that one in the Latias in for grading. The Sylveon EX, Kilowatt EX, Tatsuguri EX, Precious Trolley, Flamingo EX, Full Art, Clobopus, another great one. Okay, you know, it may not be the best one of the box per se, but it's my best one of the box. I do like these two, are awesome, but I like the Latias. Sorry. That one and the Megaton Blower. I do like. All right. Great day. Good box. Not our best. We've had better boxes. But it's been awesome sharing this case, 6 booster boxes with you all. We'll be doing smaller openings. Not so many booster boxes. We've got some of the Testral Festival coming, which we're pretty excited about that. Looking for a God Pack in one of those. We will have an ETB of Surging Sparks that we'll be opening, and any other things. We'll be going to some of the stores. We do have some stuff already ready to open, but I think we're going to go do a little bit of store hopping and see what we can find. You guys can come with us on that journey, and we'll go to 2 or 3 different places, find some things, and then come back here and then unbox them for you. But like always, have a great day. Christmas is coming up. Spend time with your family. Family is extremely important this time of the year, especially. God bless all of you, and thank you again for joining us today on this. What do we end with?
Don't forget to like and subscribe down below.
Absolutely. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you again. Safe travels.